On this 2010 to 2015 Honda Civic with the 1.8 gas engine, B1648 points us toward the keyless access control unit side of the system. In plain terms, the car may not be seeing the front passenger door antenna circuit the way it expects to. A driver may notice keyless access or one-push start behavior that feels inconsistent around that side of the vehicle. The possible fault areas can include the front passenger door outer handle antenna, the EXTFR as plus and minus wiring, connector condition, or the keyless access control unit itself. The goal here is not to guess at parts. We are going to confirm the code, command the circuit, then prove whether the wiring can carry the signal. Start by clearing the codes with the HDS. Then go into the one-push start system menu, select the keyless access control unit and enter self-check. Run the self-check, then check codes again with the HDS. If B1648 is indicated again, continue with the circuit test. If it is not indicated, treat this as an intermittent failure for now. The system is okay at this time, so concentrate on loose or poor connections rather than forcing a parts call. For the output check, press the engine start/stop button to select OFF mode. Disconnect the front passenger's door outer handle 8P connector. Then press the engine start/stop button again to select on mode. With the HDS, go back into keyless access control from the one-push start system menu and enter functional tests. Connect the voltmeter between the front passenger's door outer handle 8P connector No. 2. The GRN wire and No. 6. The BLU wire. Now select front passenger door, antenna LDC output with the HDS. At this point, you are only answering one question: is there voltage or not? If voltage is present, the front passenger door LF antenna is faulty, and the repair path is to replace the front passenger's door outer handle. If there is no voltage, keep going and check the two antenna lines for an open or high resistance. Next, press the engine start/stop button to select OFF mode. Disconnect keyless access control unit connector A, which is the 32P connector. With the front passenger's door outer handle 8P connector still disconnected, and the keyless access control unit connector disconnected, check continuity through each antenna line. For XFR as plus, check from keyless access control unit connector A, 32P No. 22. GRN to front passenger's door outer handle 8P connector No. 2. GRN. For XFR as minus, check from keyless access control unit connector A, 32P No. 6. Blue to front passenger's door outer handle 8P connector No. 6. Blue. If both wires have continuity, the EXTFR as plus and minus wires are okay, and the diagnostic path calls for replacing the keyless access control unit. If continuity is not present, repair the open or high resistance in the wire. Keep the verification separate from the circuit testing. First, prove whether B1648 returns after clearing and self-check. Then prove whether the control unit can produce output at the passenger handle connector. If it cannot, prove the two wires end-to-end before making the control unit call. The takeaway is simple. Confirm the code, command the antenna output, then let the wiring test decide whether this is an antenna, harness, or control unit path. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.